I'm going to show y'all how to put in these cheap extensions from TikTok Shop. And they're just clip-in, so they're super easy to install. We are going to start with the back of our hair, and we are going to take our first layer on the bottom. So get it sectioned off and pinned up. Now you're going to grab an extension with 3 clips on it and just clip it to the bottom. Then you want to go about an inch above that clip and make you another section. Grab a clip with 4 and just clip it in. We're going to go an inch above this clip and add another 4 and then clip it in. For our final back piece, we're going to do a 3 clip, and you're going to do it right around the crown of your head. Make sure to add enough hair to cover the track. Now friends, we're going to focus on the side. Start at the bottom with a little bitty section. Take a 1 clip and just clip it right there. Go an inch above that, and then you want to add a 2 clip. Go a centimeter above that, add a 2 clip. My hair is pretty coarse, so I'm going to go right up to my hairline, use a 2 clip, and clip it in. Okay, now that we have this side done, we're going to go ahead and do this side and do the exact same. I'll link these extensions, and I'll also link it in my bio for y'all. They're Fullshine, they're super cheap. If y'all want another tutorial, let me know.